G'day, here's part of a deal I've got of low grade mine run Boulder Opal pieces. They've basically been broken off larger boulders and put together as small pieces. As you can see, the rule's in millimetres, the material's been wetted. It's not high grade material. In fact, some of it when you get it may not even have any opal on it at all. But it's priced that way too. It's basically low grade and something for you to get started with looking at Boulder Opal and getting the feel for it. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. I haven't gone in as far as I normally do, but I'll just quickly move around the parcel. White, there's the white reflection off the lights. This is just some of it. I can't move the tray right over because I've got a tripod in the way. But some has got seams of opal that you can follow. That's what's underneath it, just the same sort of material. Like I said, some of it hasn't got much opal in it at all. Anyway, we'll zoom in a bit closer and I'll pick up a few bits to show you. Okay, like that piece that's there, wherever it is. Just got to try to find it. Like I said, they're mostly just pieces that have been broken off. That's one of the better pieces in the deal. Somebody will get that. Other pieces have got various colours. Just picking this up randomly. That's how I'm selling it. It'll be just randomly picked out of the bucket, sold by weight. Piece like that, I'm being honest, that's part of the parcel. It's a big piece of rock with just a little bit of opal on the end. There's another piece that's a bit better. It's in the deal too, but it's random. What you end up with, I can't guarantee. The price reflects the quality. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.